Look at this beautiful umbrella. This EAST OAK umbrella, real easy to be able to set up. Comes with the base legs. You need to buy the sandbags or base support for it, which I do have, and I'll put those together. But I wanted to first, as I just put it together, make sure it opens up and looks really good. And this thing is amazing. It was really easy to be able to set up. I mean, really, for the most part, it comes put together. The only thing you have to do is just bolt the base together to the main pole support, and then it all comes together. So how you open and close this, it has the crank back here on the umbrella. You can look at it. It is marked up and down so that you know which way you're going to go. So we'll go in the down direction to be able to bring it all back. So once you have it down, then you can actually go and keep cranking it until it stops. And then what that does is it actually cinches it up a little bit and brings it back. So we'll go through and we'll bring it all the way down. And then to be able to swing it down, you pull this up while you hold this back side as well. So pull that up, swing this thing comes down. Then you lock it in that down position when you're ready to go. And that's that. Now you have an umbrella that's collapsed. It has the solar panel up on the top as well, the solar recharging to be able to control the lights inside. This thing is really, really cool. The on and off switch is on one of the ribs. You just hit the on and off switch to be able to turn the solar lights on. You won't see them very much right now because it's still light outside, but when it gets dark, this thing is amazing. Just provides that extra ambiance and that extra time that you can spend outside because it gives it that illumination. And it's a really soft light as well. So you don't feel like it's something harsh hitting you at night. So you can still kind of maintain your night vision, but it gives it just a really good ambiance when you're having people over here or just hanging out by yourself.